I rather enjoy settling things by force. No matter what, I will have what I want. And so, now you belong to me, Guts. Your life, your death, they are both mine. If you wish to be free of me, the rules have not changed. It is as it was before. Draw your sword and take your freedom from me. I will have my own kingdom.
There's still time to play!
Out of all the thousands of comrades and tens of thousands of enemies, only one, only you and you alone, obscured the vision of my dream. I submit.